You're about to crack an egg for breakfast. But wait, how do you actually know if it's still fresh? I'm going to show you 3 foolproof methods that'll save you from a nasty surprise. First up, the water test. This is your most reliable friend. Fill a bowl with cold water and gently lower your egg in. Fresh eggs sink straight to the bottom and lie flat. If it stands upright but stays down, it's still good, but use it within a few days. If it floats to the surface, chuck it immediately. Chuck it immediately. That's gases from decomposition. Second, trust your eyes and nose. Check for cracks or unusual spots on the shell. Any damage means bacteria could have snuck in. When you crack it open, fresh eggs have bright, firm yolks that sit high and thick whites that don't spread like water across your pan. Third, the shake test. Hold the egg close to your ear and give it a gentle shake. A fresh egg stays silent because everything's held together tightly. If you hear liquid sloshing about, the contents have started breaking down. Here's why this matters beyond avoiding a grim breakfast. Fresh eggs are absolutely crucial for baking. They give you better rise and structure. Plus, let's be honest, nobody wants to risk food poisoning over a questionable egg. Pro tip, store your eggs in the fridge, pointed end down, and they'll stay fresh for weeks longer. Now you'll never have to play egg roulette again. Please subscribe.